Rules of differentiation. Derivative of a function. 1. Derivative of the constant function. If y is equal to c, where c belongs to R, then dy by dx is equal 0. Example. Find dy by dx in each of the following. A. Y is equal negative 3. B. Y is equal 5. A. Since y is equal negative 3, negative 3 is a constant, then dy by dx is equal 0. B. Since y is equal 5, 5 is a constant number, then dy by dx is equal 0. 2. Derivative of the function f of x is equal x to the power of n. If y is equal x to the power of n, where n belongs to R, then dy by dx is equal n x to the power of n minus 1. Example. Find dy by dx in each of the following. A. Y is equal x to the power of 4. B. Y is equal 5x. C. Y is equal 3 over x to the power of 2. D. Y is equal square root x to the power of 3. Solution. A. Since y is equal x to the power of 4, then dy by dx is equal 4x to the power of 3. B. Since y is equal 5x, then dy by dx is equal 5. C. Since y is equal 3 over x to the power of 2, then y is equal 3x to the power of negative 2. Then dy by dx is equal negative 6 x to the power of negative 3. D. Since y is equal the square root of x to the power of 3, then y is equal x to the power of 3 over 2. Then dy by dx is equal 3 over 2 x to the power half. The simplest form of dy by dx is equal 3 over 2 square root of x, where x bigger than or equal 0. Derivative of the sum or difference between two functions. If z and g are two differentiable functions with respect to the variable x, then z positive or negative g is also differentiable with respect to x, and d by dx for z positive or negative g is equal dz by dx positive or negative dg by dx. Example. Find dy by dx in each of the following. A. Y is equal 2x power 6 plus x to power negative 5. B. Y is equal square root of x minus 2x over square root of x. Solution. A. Since y is equal 2x power 6 plus x to the power negative 9. Then dy by dx, 6 times 2x to the power 5 minus 9x to the power of negative 10. Then dy by dx in the simplest form is equal to 12x to the power 5 minus 9x to the power of negative 10. B. Since y is equal square root of x minus 2x over square root of x, we can separate square root of x and square root of x minus 2x over square root of x. Square root of x over square root of x is equal 1, and the 2x over square root of x is equal square root of x times square root of x. Then we can cancel square root of x with the square root of x. Then the simplest form is negative 2 square root of x. Then y is equal 1 minus 2 square root of x. In the simplest form, y is equal 1 minus 2x to the power half. Then dy by dx is equal the derivative of one constant is equal 0, and the derivative of negative 2x to the power half is equal negative 2 times half x power half minus 1. Then dy by dx in the simplest form is equal negative x to the power of negative half. The derivative of the product of the two functions. If z and g are two differentiable functions with respect to the variable x, then the function z times g is also differentiable with respect to the variable x, and d by dx for z times g is equal z times dg by dx plus g times dz by dx. Example: find dy by dx if y is equal x to the power of 2 plus 1 times x to the power of 3 plus 3. Then find dy by dx when x equals negative 1. Solution: since y is equal x to the power of 2 plus 1 times x to the power of 3 plus 3, then dy by dx is equal x to the power of 2 plus 1 times the derivative of x to the power of 3 plus 3 is equal 3x to the power of 2 plus the brackets x to the power of 3 plus 3 times the derivative of the first part x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 2x. By simplify, 3x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 2 is equal 3x to the power of 4. 3x to the power of 2 times 1 is equal 3x to the power of 2. 2x times x to the power of 3 is equal 2x to the power of 4. 2x times 3 is equal 6x. Then the simplest form of dy by dx is equal 5x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power of 2 plus 6x. When x is equal -1, then dy by dx is equal 5 times -1 to the power 4 plus 3 times -1 to the power of 2 plus 6 times -1. Then the result will be 2.